Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Learning Kendra. I am Sudhir Thakur and you are watching my YouTube channel Easy Learning Kendra. Today I have come here with another video, grammatical item which are asked in 12th class or 11th class and in other classes as well. Uh, I am going to talk about adverb today. An adverb is a word or a set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs and other adverbs. It tells when, where, and how an action is performed, or it indicates the quality or degree of the action. For example, he writes slowly, he runs fast. So here, the underlined words in two sentences are adverbs. Not many adverbs end in ly, but some words which end in ly, such as friendly, are not adverbs. For example, she looks friendly. Here, friendly is adjective, it is not adverb. We can underline this. Next one. Many words can be both adverbs and adjectives according to their activity or function in the sentence. For example, he is a fast runner. Here, fast is adjective, and the same word here in he runs. Yes, he runs fast. Here, fast is functioning as adverb. So we can say that the same words sometimes works as adjective and same words works as sometimes adverb according to the function or according to the position, according to the place in the sentence. Now, let's talk about types of adverb. So there are 8 types of adverb. They are as given below. Number one is yes, adverb of manner, and some example words for adverb of manners are clearly, slowly, bravely, fast, etc. Number next two is adverb of place. Here, there, by, whom, sorry, down, of, near, etc. are example of adverb of place. Number three, adverb of time. Now, soon, then, today, etc. are the example of adverb of time. Next one is adverb of frequency. Once, twice, always, never, etc. are the example of adverb of frequency. Number five, adverb of degree. Hardly, very, quite, true, etc. are the example of adverb of degree. Next one, 6 number, sentence adverb. Certainly, definitely, surely, etc. are some of the example of sentence adverb. Number next, 7 number, interrogative adverb. What, who, why, where, etc. are known as, or etc. are the example of interrogative adverb. And last one is 8 number, relative adverb. When, where, whom, etc. are the example of relative adverb which starts with relative pronoun. Now let's talk about one by one in detail. Now, adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us about the way something happens or is done. Example, she paints beautifully. He paints beautifully. Next one is he speaks slowly. He speaks slowly. Here, in these two sentences, the bold faces words beautifully and slowly are example of adverb of manner. They show how actions are done or being done here. Next one, number two, adverb of place. So definitely, as its name suggests, adverb of place tells us about where something happens or where an action takes place or where something is. For example, there was somebody standing nearby. Is that your scarf there? You go upstairs and do your homework. I'll come up in a minute. So these are example of adverb of place. Next one is number three, adverb of time. An adverb of time tells about the time of an action, or adverb of time mainly modifies verbs. Example, they can answer the question when an examples are given here. This is just question when. And she came yesterday. I want it now. Here on bold faces are the example of adverb of time. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency indicates time or frequency of the action in the sentence. It answers the questions when or how frequently is action performed. Always, never, often, eventually, now, frequently, occasionally, once, forever, seldom, before, Sunday, Monday, 10 a.m., 12 p.m., etc. are common adverbs of time frequency. Example, he went to school a little late yesterday. He gets a good result. I will leave Monday. He smokes occasionally. These all are example of adverb of frequency. Now, adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tells us the degree or extent to which something happens. It answers the question. Answer the question how much or what degree. Adverb of degree can modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. An example Jara is given below. He entirely agrees with him. How much does he agree with him? Mira is very beautiful. To what degree is Mira beautiful, or how beautiful is Mary? He drove quite dangerously. To what degree did he drive dangerously, or how dangerously did he drive? Now, sentence adverb. A sentence adverb starts the sentence and modifies the whole sentence. Example, hopefully we will win the match. Apparently, the sky is getting cloudy. Certainly, I did not think of coming here. And number seven is interrogative adverb. An adverb which is used for asking question is called interrogative adverb. An example of interrogative adverbs are when, how long, or how, Yes, how early or how soon, etc. So these are the example of interrogative adverb. Now the last one, relative adverb. Relative adverbs introduce relative clauses. The relative adverbs are used to join sentences or clauses, and the key way to recognize relative adverbs is that they are introducing a relative clause and they come after the noun they are modifying. Now we can see here the example of relative adverb. The town, we can see example. Yes. The town where we usually go on holiday is in non- Northumberland. Next one is I will never forget the year. This is noun when you proposed to me. I'm not sure of the reason. This is also noun why she left. You can see here in bracket they are modifying the place. Identifying them can be confusing because they are not just used as relative adverbs, they also have other purposes. For example, they can be used to introduce questions also. For example, where are you going? When will you arrive? Why did you do that? They can also be used to make other types of clauses that are not relative clauses. For example, I don't know where she lives. Here, this is functioning as noun clause. I will leave when it gets light outside. This is functioning as adverbial clause. The key way to recognize relative adverb is that they are introducing a relative clauses and they come after the noun they are modifying. This is the main key point by which we can recognize the relative adverb. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Easy Learning Kendra. Bye, take care. I will again come with another video shortly. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel if you are new for my channel. Bye, take care.